I should have done this earlier, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the Apple Watch Ultra watch face on the older Apple Watch. So if you own the Apple Watch SE, the Apple Watch Series 3 or Series 4, you can go ahead and get it. Now let me show you how to do it. So first, you need to go into the phone that connect to your Apple Watch, and then you're gonna download the app called Clockology. It is free on the App Store. And now you need to search for Clockology. And after you download, make sure you open it, and you're gonna see something like this. And one more thing, make sure it also installed on the Apple Watch. You're gonna check inside a watch app, and when you go into watch app, scroll all the way down, and you're gonna see like it is going to install the Clockology on the Apple Watch, and you can see it has been installed on my Apple Watch right here. So if I go into my Apple Watch, you're gonna find it is here. So now you need to open Clockology app, and in order to download this watch face, you need to have a Facebook account. So go to your Facebook, and then you're gonna go into this group called Clockology fan. So make sure you click on this one and go to search, and you're gonna search for Watch Ultra, and after that you're gonna scroll down until you find that watch face. So now eventually you're gonna find it. So now let me scroll down a bit more. There we go, this one. So click on see more, and you're gonna find the download link. Just click on it, click on the three dot, open in browser. It's gonna bring you into Safari, and after that you're gonna click on continue to website, and click on this download button, and now it is download. So now let me select on download, go into download here. You're gonna find this download here. So now click on it, it's gonna bring you into Clockology app. Now what you're gonna do on your Apple Watch, so first you need to open Clockology app, and then you're gonna click on this button to transfer this watch face into this Apple Watch. And so after you transfer, you're gonna see this amazing watch face. It look very cool and awesome. It's just like the Apple Watch Ultra. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.